Hi, my name is Sneha Shah. I'm a psychologist and welcome to the Transforming Life series. Has fear been holding you back lately from doing something that you truly want to do in your life? Has fear been holding you back from taking the leap that you know you need to take right now in your life, but you're not able to take it? All of us experience fear in our life. And in a lot of ways, having fear is a good thing because it controls us and stops us from acting impulsively. But the real trouble begins when fear holds us back from what we truly know is good for us, but we are not able to take a step forward. Today, let's ask ourselves, where does fear come from? Usually, fear as an emotion comes from the space of lack of trust. And lack of trust, which is at two levels. One is lack of trust in your own abilities, in your own self, and in what you're capable of. And second is lack of trust in the world around us, and the fact that we will be supported and that everything is happening for our highest good. Do you know what's the opposite of fear? It's one powerful word, and that's called courage. Imagine what would become possible in our life if we could act from the space of courage. Today, I would like to talk about three things that help to build courage. The first thing is to allow ourselves to make mistakes, knowing that every single experience in life is extremely valuable and we learn from it. The second thing is to trust that everything will work out perfectly eventually. And the third thing is to let go of the need to have the perfect outcome as you think is perfect, trusting in the fact that everything is unfolding in the perfect time, space, and sequence. So, today, what would it be like for you to take that one courageous action that you always wanted to take to move towards the life that you truly want to create? If not now, when?